Okay, so on this one, we have the square root of 7/10. So let me bring it over here. Now, so when you have a square root over a fraction like that means the square root is on the top and the bottom. Because the square root is over the entire fraction. So that means the root of the top and the root of the bottom. Okay. So now what's up with that? Well, we can't leave a root on the bottom, right? We never leave a root in the bottom. What do we do about it? We multiply the top and the bottom by that root. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by the square root of 10 in order to get rid of the root from the bottom. Okay, so what becomes of that? So on the top, it's root 70. On the bottom, it's root 100, right? 7 and 10 multiply because they're both insiders. 10 and 10 multiply. So what then? How do we simplify that? The 70 on the top just stays that way, but the square root of 100, that's just 10, isn't it? You can square root 100, it's just 10. And the root vanishes. Remember, whenever we do a root, the root vanishes. Now, what about the top? What about that square root of 70? It just stays that way. How do I know? Well, because I know if you break it down, there's no pairs in there. See that? If I break down 70, I'll just say you cannot simplify the root of 70. See, when I try, I just get a 7, 2, and 5, one of each. There's not two of anything. See the problem? There's not 2 7s or 2 2s or 2 5s. There's 1 7, 1 2, 1 5. So you really can't simplify root 70. It just stays that way. So that's my final answer. Now notice it wants A over B. So then the A is the top, which is square root 70. And the B is the bottom. B is the bottom, which is the 10. See, it wants you to put it in A over B format. So it's root 70 on the top. It's 10 on the bottom. What did we do? What did we accomplish? We got rid of the root that was on the bottom, right? The root of the whole 7/10 meant a root on the top and a root on the bottom. We can't have a root in the bottom. Multiply top and bottom by that root and simplify. Here we go.